Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Yes.
I don't know what that is.
Why?
Pliers.
Looks like that to you.
It does look like letter U.
Why?
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming. Golden, I'll follow the golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden.
Hey Momshies, it's Mommy Ruth here, and I have another freelancing video for you. I'm going to share the pros and cons that I have experienced so far becoming a freelancer mommy. So mga Momshies, you've been following me for a while. You know na I've been a freelancer at the beginning of 2021. It's been so much of a roller coaster ride, and daming ups and downs, pero in the end, sobrang worth it talaga siya. So I'm gonna share with you some of the pros that I have discovered doing this myself and going through the journey myself. So the number one pro that I would like to share with you is the income opportunity. Okay, so dati, never heard of yung magiging isa kang nanay and then nagkaka-income ka kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Kasi you will have to leave your kids and go to the office and leave your kids sa bahay. So ngayon, bilang isang freelancer mom, I was able to have some income. Hindi lang siya some, depende talaga sa sipag mo. Yung income ko nga, I was able to pay off my debt sa aking cars. So having this income, it's not easy, but it's there. The opportunity is there. So number one pros yun is you can earn as much as you want. You can earn depending kung gaano ka kasipag, and it's not depending on just your time. You can be smart about it as well. So the number one pro is the income opportunity, even if you are at home. Number two pro is, for me, is the flexibility of time. I could take care of my kids, I could homeschool kuya, I could take care of Rain, and recently nagkasakit kaming lahat. So I can be their nurse, I don't have to take a leave, I don't have to magpaalam sa clients or whatsoever na I can't be there. I just don't accept jobs if I don't want to work at this time kasi I have to take care of the family. So, in my flexibility of time, like right now, Rain is sleeping and Kuya is doing his thing sa kanyang mga workbooks right now. I'm able to make use of this time kahit na nandito lang ako sa bahay and try to earn, you know, earn some money while they are resting or sleeping yung mga kids ko. So, I can do this while they're sleeping or kung tulog na sila sa gabi, which is madaling araw for me. I also do online hosting on my other freelancing job right now. So, sobrang nakakatuwa itong job na to kasi I'm able to have a career even though I'm taking care of the family. And the next pro that I would like to share with you is that I am able to take my job anywhere. If you know me from before, we used to live in Metro Manila and now we are living here in beautiful Baguio City and I still have my job with me. In traditional jobs kasi, you have to go to a physical office, be there or be in the hospital. In my case, if you're a nurse, and you're stuck there. You can't move. So, ang nakagandahan nitong isang freelancing career is you can take it with you anywhere, kahit saan pa mapunta ang pamilya mo. It's gonna be with you. So, ayun. And the next pro that I could tell you guys is that Wala kang limit sa income mo. You can earn as much as you want. You can take on as many clients as you want if your time permits or if your discarding permits it, diba? So, depende talaga sa iyo kung gusto mong kumita ng 6 figures or kung gusto mong kumita ng konti-konti lang, $100 in a weekly basis. It really depends on you. Ayun. Fifth pro that I would like to share with you guys is that you can improve your skills and right away, there is a demand market for that. So right now, I'm doing video editing and I'm also doing online hosting. And as a search engine optimizer, I can also optimize yung mga YouTube videos ng mga client ko. So, ang dami kong pwedeng matutunan online, which is pwede ko rin namang ibenta yung skill ko online lang din. So, for me, it's an amazing thing to happen for moms in this century, in this time right now. The opportunity is there and it's just up to us kung anong gagawin natin sa opportunity na yon. By the way, meron akong SkillShare online class for those of you who wants to add some skill on your portfolio. Kung gusto nyo maging SEO experts, ang SkillShare link ko will be on the description box below. And it's free, guys. It's super free. So, check it out, guys, para magkaroon kayo ng another additional online freelancer skill that you could offer to your clients. So, now let's talk about the cons. So, different cons of doing online freelancing is the security of tenure. Yun yung number one. Hindi ka regular employee na forever talagang secured yung job mo doon. There are days na yung mga, for example, video client editing clients ko is sometimes hindi sila magbi-video kasi they're going on a holiday. Or sometimes they found someone cheaper than you. So, sobrang bilis ng turnover ng mga clients. So, dapat ikaw, lagi kang may naka-line up ng mga clients as well as lagi ka rin nag-a-apply kung ano man yung niche or ano man yung trabaho na napili mo. Kasi, if you're an online freelancer, your client can easily say, okay, wala mo ng job ngayon. Or, okay, stop mo na itong buong project. Ilang beses na nangyari sa akin yan. Pero mga mamshis, it's all good and well kasi I am capable naman of applying to new clients. And the second con that I would like to share with you mga mamshis is minsan if may pinili kang niche and yung niche niya yon is nagiging common na siya to other freelancer, ang nangyayari is pababaan at pababaan na ng presyo. Kaya nga it's very important that you always improve your skill and package kung ano yung pwede mong i-share sa clients mo. Like for example, I do video editing basic. Yun yung basic skill ko talaga for online freelancing. Since I'm a video editor, my clients are mostly YouTubers, just like me, and then I would put on an add-on service or an add-on discounted rate if they also want to do SEO. SEO is for their videos to rank sa search engines. So, it's an additional service that you could offer your clients that makes you a valuable freelancer. So, yun yung solution doon mga moms, sa pababaan ng presyo. Kasi maraming video editors na they could just edit. It's simple lang naman talagang tanggalin lang yung mga ams, tanggalin lang yung mga dead air, and put some effects, put some music, that's it. Pero, konti lang yung mga video editor na marunong din mag-SEO and marunong mag-edit at the same time and alam yung, for example, yung aesthetics mo, you continuously improve your skill, for example, color grading and things like that. In that way, mas magiging parang in-demand ka and mas marami kang clients na masaserbisyuhan. So, yun ang ating second con sa freelancing and yung solution. Yeah. So, the third con, mga momshi, is yung health coverage. When it comes to health coverage, since you are not a regular employee, hindi siya talagang ibibigay sa'yo. You have to cover it for yourself. Kaya nga naman, when it comes to that, I've tried to find the most affordable option for me and my family. And ako, I put out my own money to buy health cover insurance. Kasi kung hindi, anytime na magkasakit ako or magkaroon ng emergency, then it's gonna be out of the pocket yung expense na yon. Masaya talaga maging mommy freelancer, mga momshies. Meron kang flexibility and freedom of time. Matututukan mo yung mga kids mo and yung mga family duties mo. Yun nga lang po, isa talaga sa mga challenges is you have to be extra careful sa iyong stream of income and budgeting. Kapag nagkaka-extra pera ako, ay naalat ko agad siya sa pambili ng iba't ibang bagay na magbibigay ng security and confidence sa akin. Isa na dito ang Maxicare EReadyAdvance Prepaid Health Card. Like this one. Ayan. Ang Maxicare EReadyAdvance card ay nagbibigay ng emergency room coverage up to 50,000 pesos, which includes confinement sa regular private room at any Maxicare affiliated hospital nationwide. Bilang nanay at freelancer, dapat #EReadyAdvance everyday ka. You can buy the Maxicare EReadyAdvance card on Lazada and Shopee. At kapag bibili ka sa shop.maxicare.com.ph, so once again mga momshies, ang ating pros and cons ng being isang mommy freelancer ay
income opportunity while staying at home, flexibility of time, you can travel or move without affecting your work, no income limit, and you can improve your skills online and earn from it right away. The cons naman are security of tenure, price wars, and no healthcare coverage.
So I hope you find this video informative, inspirational, and even helpful when you are doing your freelancing journey, lalo na if you are a mommy like me. And by the way, you don't have to be a freelancer to avail of this. You can just get it for yourself kasi minsan yung mga husbands natin or yung provider natin sa family, hindi covered ang mga family members sa kanilang HMO or healthcare insurance ng company. So if you want to be just extra sure, extra wise, extra winner mom like me, make sure that you check out this. And sobra talaga guys, laking bagay to. 50,000 pesos sa any emergency room for you and your family. Sobrang laking coverage na yun siya. And for me, it gives me security and confidence na kahit anong mangyari, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, we are ready and may mapanghuhugutan kami sa mga ganong klase ng mga gastos. So especially na mga momshies na bagong taon, bagong buhay, bagong insurance. Make sure you check them out. And thank you Maxicare EReady for sponsoring this video. So yun na mga momshies, maraming salamat sa panonood on this video.